All right, let's show you what we're talking about. We will be using Cryptool in this demonstration. And Cryptool is an application to understand how encryption and decryption works, how digital signatures work, and how the hash function works as well. It is one of the latest applications available online to try and simulate the encryption mechanism. So I'm going to close this introduction document and open a text document that was created on my desktop. It has nothing except this word cryptography, and we'll try to simulate how encryption works here. So now in an encryption, we have the old or classic symmetric keys, which are not used, but they are here just to understand how encryption is performed. And we have the modern symmetric keys. All right, so now we will try DES or triple DES, and notice here if we're trying DES key, DES works on 64-bit and here it is. Here is the key. Now this key is very important for encryption. If I use the regular key, which is all zeros, it will definitely encrypt that. But how can someone break this encryption? So if you have the encrypted file or encrypted data and you guessed which key was used to encrypt this data, well, you can decrypt it easily. So if I use the same one, DES ECB, and I applied the same encryption on this encrypted data with the same key, I don't want to decrypt now, but if I just click encrypt again, it will reveal the original data. And why is that? Well, because I have the key that was used for the encryption. So if you use decrypt here, it will, of course, reveal for you the original data. But the important thing to note here, and in any encryption algorithm really, if you guess or know the key that was used for the encryption, you can break that encryption really easily. If you change it one bit, well, obviously things are going to be different. This is one of the most important things to know in the encryption. So let's try the same thing on triple DES or AES. AES works on 128-bit, 92, and 256. Encrypt the data, and we have the encrypted data. Again, use AES and encrypt the same. Now check out what's happened now with AES. Because AES is stronger than DES or DES, you cannot use the same ideas and concepts. So we identified a weakness in DES. This is why we considered DES an unsecure algorithm, so you cannot really use DES anymore. But if you want to decrypt using AES, it is easily decrypted. So we see here the disadvantage, or the considerations at least, when using an older and insecure cryptographic algorithm.